Prosecutors hold criminals accountable, but many in Indiana are understaffed, many Indiana counties. The Indiana House passed legislation that would address the problem. WRTV Investigates has been digging into the state's attorney shortage and its impact on public safety. Our Kara Kenny headed to one Indiana county to find out how the bill would affect them.
Howard County is home to more than 80,000 people. Mark McCann is the elected prosecutor. He's been in this position since 2011. The county sees 4,000 filings a year in its criminal justice system.
You don't know what it is until you need it, and hopefully you don't because you're a victim.
McCann's office does not have a victim advocate, which means victims of crimes can feel left in the dark.
There's not enough communication with them and support emotionally, and providing information is a big thing.
The Howard County Prosecutor's Office has only 12 attorneys. Is that enough people?
No.
McCann says it creates a backlog of work, especially if they have staff out for weeks on a jury trial.
We're getting warrant requests to review case files. Those are going to sit for another week or two. You're just behind.
The lack of attorneys also impacts what they can charge someone with.
It does come into play in your charging decision.
The Indiana Prosecuting Attorneys Council says Howard County should have 23 attorneys to be adequately staffed for its workload. That's double their current attorney staff of 12. McCann says his full-time deputy prosecutors often have 300 criminal cases at a time.
I always say bend but don't break, but it's almost at a breakage point as far as where I'm concerned about public safety.
House Bill 1006 aims to address the state's attorney shortage by creating a public prosecution fund. It would allow counties to get reimbursed up to 50% for salary and benefits paid to deputy prosecutors.
If this bill passes, how many more prosecutors are you hoping you can hire?
I would ask for 9.
What could you do differently?
I would reallocate our office more in line with the federal system and make it more area specific.
That means he'd assign attorneys to specialties like sex crimes, crimes against children, and property crimes.
That would help in our success, and I think it would be a great benefit to the citizens of the county.
This map shows active attorneys.
In 2023, WRTV Investigates told you about our state's attorney shortage. Only 11% of Indiana counties have adequate prosecutor staffing to meet its workload. IPAC testified before a legislative committee saying Indiana needs 400 prosecutors to fill the void.
House Bill 1006 allows us to stop the bleed. We're losing a lot of our higher end, more experienced prosecutors to make more money elsewhere. And then we are not getting those law school applicants coming in to give us fresh blood at the bottom.
26 Indiana counties have job openings listed on the IPAC website. Meanwhile, the median salary for a deputy prosecutor is $87,000. Howard County full-time deputy prosecutors make more than that, $110,000.
I had to scratch and claw to get to that. Ooh.
McCann says higher salaries have helped him retain prosecutors and save money on retraining costs.
You know, usually lawyers are hit and skips in prosecutor's office, what I call hit and skips. They get their experience and go to a law firm, do defense work, make, a lot more money. So,
House Bill 1006 passed out of the House and now heads to the Senate. The legislation would also increase existing reimbursement rates for county public defenders as well. Kara Kenny, WRTV.
House Bill 1006 is expected to cost the state around $19.5 million a year beginning in fiscal year 2026. We've already told you about House Bill 1049. It would create a state fund to provide scholarships to law students who commit to working as a deputy prosecutor or public defender in Indiana for at least 5 years. The Indiana House passed that bill as well, and it's now headed to the Senate.